So first we will set up one scenario. Create IAM user. Okay. So this is my folder structure. Then go to Visual Studio Code and here we have option open folder. Then I will go navigate to the folder Terraform lab, and here I will store. I want to save my code. Then new file. Then it's save it. Control S. Then here, once you install extension, then here we will give by default Terraform is file name is main.tf. So right now we'll give this file main. Then here you have to select save as a type. Then here you will see Terraform. Okay. So if you want to create variables, then you can select variables. Then now we need Terraform. Select Terraform. Click on save. Then so Terraform is suggesting we have already code on Terraform. Here we don't have to write any logic ourselves. So blindly we have to follow Terraform official site. And just if you want to change logic, then like if you want to write a if else statement, array or function method, then only you have to write your logic. But writing Terraform code, you have to follow a Terraform official site for their declarative language. Okay. So here, if you select search here, I am so on this site you can see too much code here. So first our code block is so here is our code first provider AWS and region. Let's copy this code. So let's select if we like auto type provider. Okay, it will give this auto type provider AWS. Okay, now the code is automatic. Then curly braces. The syntax is then region equals to what is our region? AP hyphen south and 1. This is my first code, and where you select region, if you go here in AWS, then my code is Mumbai region and the code is AP hyphen south hyphen 1. So this is my code. Then we have to add our IAM access access key ID and access secret key. So there we have also code. So here usage, provider AWS region. Then next parameter we have access key. Then type here access. We have to check what is the access underscore key, then equal to the next is secret key. This is syntax to add access key and secret key. Then what is my access key? Go to our Excel sheet, copy this access key, which we have created from AWS. Then and secret key.
You don't put equal to secret key equal to.
Right. Now next we have to create IAM user. And here how we can we have seen here like resource. And this is a keyword to create AWS IAM user. And to if you want to create EC2 instance, then a resource will be changed so here for EC2 instance, we have to give AWS underscore instance. Okay, this is the keyword. And this is the name of my AWS instance. This is label. Like here, if you want to create IAM user, then resource. Then we'll add one more code block here. Resource. Then resource name. What is my keyword? AWS underscore IAM underscore user. Then we have to give label. We'll give name. Then curly brackets open and close. Then we will give name. Paste underscore user. Then if you want to add tags, then you can add like under resource. Like this label. Then what you have to do, you have to save a code, okay? Otherwise it will not recognize this. So you have to save Control S. Yes. Then go to terminal, click on new terminal. Then here we have the option whether you want to go with PowerShell command prompt git bash JavaScript button. So if you are familiar with git bash, then git bash you can go command prompt. Here I am going with PowerShell is a default one. PowerShell, save this code. Then first command is Terraform init.
R Terraform.
Terraform init. So initializing what he is doing, finding latest version of HashiCorp AWS, then installing HashiCorp, installing plugins, initializing backend. Then it creates Terraform log file for this my task. Then what is saying here, Terraform has created log file Terraform log SL to record the provider selection it made above. Include this file is your version control repository so that Terraform can guarantee to same selection by default when you run Terraform init in the future. Okay, so Terraform has been successfully initialized. You may now begin working with Terraform. Try running Terraform plan to see any changes that are required for your infrastructure. How Terraform commands should work. So then the models we can see in later. The next command is, if you want to clear this screen, you can type clear. Then next command is Terraform plan. Terraform plan. After this, so for every when we run any commands or performing any instruction, for that changing, it will create Terraform.tf state file. So it contains the current state of your Terraform code. So here, what message we got here, Terraform plan. Terraform used the selection provided to generate the following execution plan. The resource action are indicated with the following symbol create. Okay, symbol it will create. And then what it does, AWS IAM user dot test will be created. The resource IAM user test, ARN number, no, nothing, we are not given anything. ID, path, tags, nothing we have given. By default, path is root. Then we have given tag. Demo is then okay, all is plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Next you have to see this. The next command is, let's clear this one. Terraform have to wait. Okay, now it's all validated. Do you want to perform these action? We want to confirm. Terraform will perform the action described above only. Yes, type yes to accept to approve. Here we have to type yes. Okay, so what here we got, is creation complete. 1 second time. ID test user complete resource. Then go to your AWS to verify whether it is got created or not. Go to IAM user. Then you can click on users. Then here you can see test user. Name we have given test user. And if you click on here, we are not given any permission or this one. So AWS test user, we can see creation data of this. So like this, so we created first resources using